Well, hey, it's Bruce Latch. We're down at Timeless Arts Refinishing, Grand Rapids, Michigan. We got another radio here that just came in to us. This radio actually came out of Michigan. Well, it came to us from Michigan. Recently purchased off eBay, I guess. So now they're a Zenith 16A63. Extremely rare radio. I don't know how many are left. I think they made about 350 of them back in the 30s. I'm not quite sure. But anyhow, I took most of the screws out. There's one that's stuck in here, so the heads are stripped. Now, so this is the unveiling of the radio here. We have not had this opened up yet. Do a nice job of packing it, you know what?
Yeah.
A little tight though for when it's finished. I guess we're going to save all this packing because I guess it's going to be packed up. I think, I don't know. I said something about wanting to have somebody pick it up when it's done, but we'll figure all that out. Hi, Dusty. That's not for doggies. Nope, that's not for doggies. Oh. That's not moving all the way, but we'll get that fixed. Probably something behind it. As you can see, beautiful radio. Maybe we ought to try and get this out of the box, huh?
Yeah. Let me put my phone down real quick.
Look at that chassis working. That is
Wheel and stuff.
Yeah. Oh yeah. We'll put that up here. What a beauty, huh?
Yeah.
So as you can see, what we have here is we got to contend with. This one's going to be real tricky. It's going to be a lot of fun working on this because the chassis are loose too. As you can see, the lattice is broken in here. So I'm going to have to fix all that, which is going to be a lot of fun for me. That's really about the worst damage of the radio, right?
Yeah.
Here's this side over here. Can you see it pretty good, Corey?
Yeah.
Too bad we got this table here. And
No.
Come on over here for a
Make
second.
it work.
Yeah. Look at that.
Yeah, look at
Right there. That's just beautiful, Dusty. It's not for doggies. Yeah, what a gorgeous radio. I think this thing works. That chassis is way too clean.
Yeah, it looks good. That's a big chassis too.
Yeah, that chassis is just way too clean.
That's the bottom chassis. That's the top one.
Yeah, a couple of speakers in there.
What about the other side?
Oh yeah, let's take a look at that.
This side looks-
Yeah, this side looks nice too. So we just really kind of got some veneer pops right here. 2 pops right here, and that piece tore off there. It might just be easier for me to pull that whole piece of veneer right off there and lay a whole new piece on there. It would look nicer at the end. So, yeah, look at that chassis. Ain't that something? Okay, well, hey, once again, this is my second one of these Zenith Stratospheres that I've had an honor to refinish. It's like the holy grail of radios, and I'm really honored that people find me and send me things over here to Grand Rapids to have us work on. So, well, we'll be doing more videos on this. This is just the unveiling of the radio that we did here. Show you what kind of shape it's in. Usually when these radios come to me, all the chassis work is out of them. They go to the owners take them out, or the chassis guys take them out. So this one, I got 2 more in here. They're taking chassis out of. But yeah, if you do see us on YouTube and you do have a radio that you want to have restored, just make sure you take the chassis out. This one was a different story. It was bought off eBay and shipped someplace and then shipped to us. So no problem. We'll take care of that. Thank you. Have a nice day.